Hey guys, just to give you an update, I'm still trying to edit my videos, so I still have a lot of content, and I just want you to know that I'm mainly into photography. Fucking, it's so windy today. Yeah, I'm really into photography, but due to lately I've been going out with my video friends and been watching YouTube, so I'm also addicted to this vlogging or filmmaking. I'll be putting in a lot of throwbacks and those old profile settings for my video, but right now I'm currently upgrading my skills, so I want you guys to give me a buzz, tell me what I need to do, what things I need to improve on. And this wind is really fucking noisy. Anyway, that's just a quick update on what I'm doing right now. I'll be putting in some of the videos I had the weekend. I'm gonna put some dates on it, those ones from last year. Oh, one more thing, I'm really into photography, that's what I've said, but the thing is, yeah, due to this videography thing, I've tried doing videos, I've tried traveling doing videos. One thing that I've noticed is that lately when I do that, I tend to lose my photography and do more videography. So it was a time, it's really so windy, it was a time that I was really starting to quit videography because I'm not taking more photos, and yeah, it's not really productive because videography, you need to have an intro and an ending, I mean a start and a finish and a climax and everything else, but photo, you just get one photo, nail it. Like this one here, it's really complicated, but I don't know what's with videography that I'm really addicted to it, so I'm doing some more, and this year I hope I can put in a lot on my YouTube channel. Please do visit it. Also, oh shit, I'm so hungry. I'm cooking something inside, so might cut this quick and easy, and it's really windy, but I'll update you soon on what I'm going to do. So today is like the 2nd of February 2018, and wish me luck on this endeavor that I'm doing. It's been a long 2 years. I had a lot of footage I need to edit and upload to show you guys, so see ya.